Greg, if you could just explain a police officer's annual recertification duties and requirements.
Well, there's a number of requirements. Most of it consists of mandatory in-service training classes, continuing education classes. There's some training that they have to do for first aid, for firearms, and also CPR qualifications. And they're run through a state agency, MOPEC, and they have to keep up with it every year. Certification is for 2 years, but they have to do it every year. They have classes.
Mm-hmm. So what did Pete Ondeck remiss to do?
I don't know exactly. Technically, you'd have to ask Chief Farrell what area or areas he did not complete, whether it was the classes. You know, that really was not a concern of mine. My concern is he wasn't certified. Basically, he let his certification lapse as of June of 2011. So anything, he lost the power at that point in time when he's no longer certified. He no longer has the power under the authority of law to arrest anybody. And so that's what led to all this.
What sort of cases were affected? How many defendants have been affected by this?
Well, I was just adding them up before you came over. I have 97 different defendants. Almost all of them are traffic charges. So I have 97 traffic citations, summary citations, 12 non-traffic citations, things like disorderly conduct. I don't know what they are exactly. And then we have one criminal charge, which we haven't actually addressed in this motion yet, but I have contacted the chief public defender and his attorney, so they know it's coming. He's not in jail, so we'll take care of that next week.
Aside from that one criminal case, essentially are the 97 defendants in the summary offenses off the hook? Or?
Yes, and just to be clear, they're all criminal cases. When I said the one criminal case, it really should have said one trial case, so misdemeanor or felony above. The rest are all summary cases. Yes, they will all are. The order we have signed by the judge essentially vacates everything, mm-hmm. and we'll actually also be going to expunge all the records of their arrest, and almost all of these are convictions. These are all were convictions. Chief Farrell withdrew all the pending cases. That's at least what he represented to me.
Can you just talk about how much work this has created on your side of it, and have you ever had to deal with such a chore before?
Well, we've had bigger chores than this, but it's a waste of resources in my mind. It's something that's easily avoidable. This is a fundamental thing that every officer knows they have to comply with every year. He's not a rookie officer. He knew he had complied with this in the past. It's every minute that we're spending on this, we're not spending a minute on prosecuting criminals with pending cases and working on those other cases. I mean, this is a self-inflicted wound, and I don't want to say waste of time because we have to fix it. It's our obligation to fix it, but it shouldn't have happened. Well, we still have to do the one trial case, which I think is a felony case, and I understand there might have been a parole violation as a result too. So we'll have to track that down. We're working with the defense attorney actually to get that established, and I'm confident we'll deal with that very early next week. So most of our work is done from the DA's office, but that's just really the beginning of this. I mean, I don't know whether you're going to talk to the president judge or not and the district justice, but they're going to have a lot of work to do because a lot of money went into the system. That's all going to, I have no idea how they're going to work that out as far as getting the fines and the costs, if there's any restitution, I don't even know. Get back from wherever that money has gone. They're going to have so there's going to be a lot of work. My guess would be the district justices where these took place. I think it's only 2. Most of it's with District Justice Benner, I think. I mean, his office is going to have a lot to do.